How to fix Facebook two-factor authentication code not received problem. So if you're facing a problem with the login code or the two-factor authentication code not receiving on your device, then here are some fixes. So the first thing is if you don't have the network, like here on the upper right side, you will have the SIM network, right? So if you don't have network, or if you're in a place where network is not available, then you will not get the code. So just wait for a few seconds or few minutes and go to a network area and you will get the code. But if it's not the case, then what you need to do is simply open up your Play Store and you need to search for Facebook. And then here, if you have any updates, then you can simply go for update and update your application. Once you've updated, you need to go back and then you need to tap and hold on to your Facebook application. Tap on app info. And now here you will have notifications option, right? So make sure that you have turned on your notifications on your Facebook and on your SMS application. So simply go for SMS or messages in which you would receive the code. So tap on it and then go for app info. And here go for notifications and make sure that you have turned on the notifications in order to receive the code. And once you've done that, now you need to go with your Facebook. Tap on app info. And here go for permissions and make sure that you have allowed the permission of SMS under your Facebook. So here under not allowed, if you have the SMS option or the messages option, then make sure that you have allowed the permission. And after doing all of this, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can uninstall your Facebook application and then again install it and your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.